A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Introduction to PowerPoint 2013. In this chapter, we will learn about Introduction to PowerPoint 2013, starting PowerPoint 2013, components of the PowerPoint 2013, creating a new presentation, viewing the slideshow, saving a presentation, closing a presentation, and opening an existing presentation. So let us start today's class. Open page number 102, chapter number 8, Introduction to PowerPoint. Children, PowerPoint is a presentation software that is widely used at school and offices. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that is widely used at school and office. What is a presentation software? First of all, what is a presentation? You can define a presentation as a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that display the information along with graphics, sound, and animation. Means presentation is a collection of slides which is arranged in systematic order, and it displays the information with the help of the graphic, sound, and animation, right? And presentation software, a software which is used at offices, schools, and many other places to express ideas and opinions to the audience, right? Presentation is a collection of slides which is arranged in a systematic order that display the information in an interesting way. And presentation software is a software which is used to convey the information in an interesting way to the audience, right? I repeat once again. Presentation software is a software through which you can convey your ideas, convey your opinions to a large number of people in a very effective and easy way with the help of the graphic, animations, and sound, etc. Clear? So, PowerPoint is a widely used presentation software. You can also use this software to create photos, album containing music or your recorded sound. Before starting learning how to use PowerPoint, let us familiarize ourselves with two terms. That is, the first term is slide. What is a slide? A slide is a page of PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a brief topic, right? Slide is a page of PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a brief topic, right? Or you can also say that a slide is an individual page of a presentation. A slide contains text, images, audio clips, and videos. You can also add sound, effect, and animation to a slide to catch the attention of the audience, right? So I hope you understand what is a slide. I repeat once again. A slide is a individual page of a presentation, and it contains text, image, audio clips, videos, etc. The second important term is slideshow. What is a slideshow? When multiple slides are displayed together in sequence in full screen mode, it is called a slideshow. slideshow is a sequential when a number of slides display in a sequential way, then it is called slideshow. Right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again, what is a slide? Slide is an individual page of PowerPoint presentation, and slideshow is a sequential display of a number of slides in a full screen mode. Right? Now, next topic is starting Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. To start Microsoft PowerPoint, you should follow this step. The first step is step 1. Type PowerPoint in the search box next to Start button. This is you can see on the screen, search box. Click on the PowerPoint in search box next to the Start button. And step 2 is click on PowerPoint 2013. You can see on the screen. Step 1. In step 1, you type PowerPoint in search box, which is present next to the start button. When you type PowerPoint in search box, a list will be open. Click PowerPoint option from the list. Right? I hope you understand how you open PowerPoint. Click on the PowerPoint in search box and click on the PowerPoint option from the list. When you click on the PowerPoint options, this screen will appear. Click on blank presentation. When you click on the blank presentation, this screen will appear. This is the interface of PowerPoint 2013 window. Let us find out about the various components of the PowerPoint window. This area is known as Quick Access Toolbar. I have already told you what is a Quick Access Toolbar in Word 2013. The Quick Access Toolbar contains commands that you may want to use frequently. Right? Quick Access Toolbar contains a command which is frequently used by the user. It contains save, undo, and redo buttons. It also contains one more button, Start from Beginning button. This button is used to start the slideshow. Next component is Title bar. This is the horizontal bar. At the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. The default name for the new presentation you open is Presentation 1. When you open a new presentation, by default name of the presentation is Presentation 1. You can give a name to the presentation at the time of saving it. When you save the presentation, then you can change the name as per your choice. Right? I repeat again. Title bar display the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Next component is, this area is known as ribbon. The ribbon is the white band located below the title bar. Ribbon is located below the title bar. It contains various commands for working on the presentation. The ribbon has various types, just like File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, Help. The commands under each tabs are organized into various groups. Each group contains a set of commands to perform a specific task. For example, commands related to changing the style of text are grouped in the font group under the Home tab. Right? Ribbon contains various tabs just like a File, Home, Insert, Design, etc. and the command which is present in each and every tab are organized in different groups. Just like if you click on the home tab, then you can find out clipboard group, side font group, paragraph group, right, editing group, etc. And group, what is a group? A group is a collection of different types of commands which perform a particular task. For example, if you want to change the color, size of the text, then all the commands are present in the font group in the home tab, right? Next component is status bar. The status bar appears at the bottom of the window on the left side. It provides details such as the current slide number and the total number of slides in a presentation, right? With the help of the status bar, we can find out current slide number and the total slides in our presentation. Next component is slides. This is the white space which you are seeing is known as slides, right? And what is a slide? I have already told you. Slide is a page of PowerPoint presentation that displays some information about a topic. Next component is view button. This is a view button. It is used to view your presentation in a different way. This area is known as zoom slider. With the help of the zoom slider, you can increase or decrease size of the screen. So these are the components of the PowerPoint window. I hope you understand. Next topic is creating a new presentation. Let us create a presentation on benefits of reading. So first of all, open PowerPoint. I have already told you how to open the PowerPoint. Click on search box and type PowerPoint and click on PowerPoint options. Click on the blank presentation. Right? This is the screen. When you open a blank presentation, a blank title slide is displayed. When you open a blank presentation, a blank slide is displayed as shown on the screen. The title slide is used as the first slide to introduce the presentation to the audience. This is the title slide. Title slide is used as the first slide to introduce the presentation to the audience. A blank slide consists of dotted rectangular box called placeholder. You can see on the screen a dotted rectangular box is present. This dotted rectangular box is known as placeholder, right? The dotted rectangular box is known as placeholder, and a placeholder can contain text, table, chart, or any other components. Let us create a presentation on benefits of reading. Step 1 is adding text to the slide. How you add the text in a slide? Click on the title placeholder. This is a title placeholder. Click on the title placeholder and type the title of your presentation. Benefits of reading is the title of our presentation. Similarly, add relevant text in the subtitle. This is the subtitle. Click. You can type relevant subtitle of your presentation, just like a by Amit Kumar, right? Formatting the text. Step 2 is formatting the text. how you format the text. Text formatting options are available in the font group under the Home tab. I have already told you the formatting options are present in the font group. To format text, first of all, select the text. Then choose different formatting option from the font group. If you want to change the color, then click on arrow next to the font color options and choose color of your choice. If you want to change the font type and size, then click on the arrow next to the font style and choose style. Click on the arrow next to the size options and choose the size of your choice. Click on the bold, italic, underline, or if you want to apply this formatting option on your heading, right? Adding a new slide. Now, how you add a new slide in your presentation? What is the step? Adding a new slide. To add a new slide in your presentation, the step is click on the arrow next to the new slide option in the slide groups. First of all, click on the Home tab. Then click, this is a slide group. Click arrow next to the new slide options. When you click on new slide options, a list will be open. Choose the slide of your choice. There are 9 types of slide design is available, just like a title slide, title and content, section header to content, right? So choose slide layout of your choice. After clicking the new slide options, you can see a new slide added in a presentation. I repeat once again. To add a new slide in your presentation, click on Home tab. Click arrow next to the new slide options in the slide group. List will be open. Choose the desired slide style from the list. A new slide will be added in your presentation. The next step is adding a bulleted list. If you want to create a bulleted list, then you should follow this step. First of all, click in the placeholder. Then click on the Home tab. Then click on arrow next to the bullet option in the paragraph group. This is the paragraph group and this is the bullet options. Click arrow next to the bullet options. Choose the desired bullet style from the list. After choosing the bullet style, start the typing. Reading help us to gain knowledge. This is the first point. And after typing the first point, press enter to write the next point. Reading improves our imagination. In this way, you create bulleted list. Now, step 5 is adding a picture on the slide. You can add various elements like pictures, charts, and tables in your slides to make it look more interesting. Let us add a picture of a book in the next slide. For this purpose, choose the title and content layout of the new slide. Insert a new slide. I have already told you how you insert a new slide. Click on Home tab. Then click on the slide in the slide group. Click arrow next to the new slide options. Then choose title and contents from the list to insert a pictures. Now, the step 2 insert a pictures. Step 1 is click on the picture option in the center of the slide. This is a this is a picture options in the slide, or you can also click on the picture options under the image group in the insert tab. This is the insert tab. Click on the insert tab. In the image group, you can also click on picture options, right? You can click picture options in the center of the slide, this one, or you can click insert tab. In the image group, click on the picture options. After that, search the picture that you want to use on the slide. Search your pictures which you want to insert. And after selecting the picture, click on the insert button. You can see picture will be inserted, right? You can increase or decrease the size of the pictures like this. Next step is step 6, adding theme to the presentation. Finally, to make a presentation attractive, you can add color and design on the slides, right? After creating the presentation, you can make your present by the theme you can make your presentation more attractive, more colorful. PowerPoint provides ready-made color and design themes in the themes group under the design tab. If you want to apply themes, if you want to add themes in your presentation, then the step is click on the design tab. This is the design tab, and click on the themes group and choose the themes of your choice. You can see here different types of themes available in the presentation in the PowerPoint. Choose the themes of your choice. Choose the themes like this. Okay. Arrange the contents. Now, next topic is viewing the slide show. As discussed earlier, a slide show is the full screen display of the slides of the presentation which is shown to the audience. Now, after creating the presentation, you want to show the presentation to the audience in the full screen mode. Then what is the step? How you show your presentation in front of the audience? You can quickly start the slideshow by clicking on the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. You can, if you want to start the slideshow, then click on the Start from Beginning button from the Quick Access toolbar. This one. Click to the next slide. Like this. Okay. When slideshow is finished, press escape button, right? I repeat once again. To start the slideshow, click on the Start Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. This is the Start from Beginning button. Click on this button. This is the first slide. To move to the next slide, click left mouse button. Again left mouse button, and when slideshow is finished, press escape button from the keyboard. You can also start slideshow by pressing F5 button from the keyboard. Press F5 like this. Okay. Saving a presentation. Next topic is saving a presentation. How you save a presentation? To save a presentation, you should follow the step. Click on the File tab, then click on save options, save, then click on the browse option. Save as dialog box will be open. Type your presentation name in the file name box and click on the save button. Your presentation will save with a new name. Now I repeat once again how you save a file. Click on the file tab, click on the save options, click on the browse option. Save as dialog box will be open. Type name of your presentation in the file name box and click save button. Your presentation will be saved with the given. Now closing the presentation. To close the presentation, click on the file tab. If you want to close the presentation, then click on the file tab, then click on the close options. When you click on the close options, if you have not saved the changes to the presentation, if you make some changes in your presentation and you are still not saved that changes, then this dialog box will be open. In this dialog box, there are three options: save, don't save, and cancel. Click on the save button to save the changes. If you want to save your changes, if you make some changes in your presentation and you want to save that changes, then click on the save button. Click do not save button if you do not want to save the changes, and click on the cancel button if you do not want to close your presentation. So right now I am clicking save button. I want to save the changes which I made here. Our presentation will be closed. Then last topic of this chapter, opening an existing presentation. How you open a presentation which you have already saved. For this purpose, click on the file tab, then click on open tab. When you click on the open tab, this screen will be appear. In this screen, right hand side, you can see the recently opened file are displayed. This side. If your file is displayed here, then you can simply click on your file. I want to say, when you click on the open options, this screen will be open, and in the right side of this screen, recently opened files are displayed. If your file is present in the list, then simply click on your file. Your file will be open. But if your file does not show in that list, then what you do? Click on the file option, then click on the open tab, then search your folder where you want to save. For this purpose, click on the browse folder and search your file where you save it. After selecting the file, click on open button. Your file will be open, right? So in this way, we have completed this chapter. I hope you understand. Watch the video very carefully. Okay.